Hello all, this is Madhura Joshi. I have done BA in Economics, MA in English, MA in History, BA in English and History. I have qualified the CTET entrance exam conducted by the Central Government of India. I am a CTET qualified teacher. I am also a TEFL TESOL certified teacher and I am a Turito certified international tutor. So, why homeschooling? Here I'm going to present my viewpoints on homeschooling. First of all, it saves time, it saves money. We can focus more on skills building and vocational education, which is the requirement of the this particular uh, age, this particular era, and of course, this is something that is a need of the hour. You go to any school nowadays, schools are charging hefty fees from about 1 lakh to 20 lakhs. Yes, believe me or not, if you can research on Google, there are schools charging 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs as fees. Estimate in your case, if you homeschool your child, what will it be? Okay, so maybe you will have to hire a tutor for important subjects if in case you're not able to teach them using technology or books around you. It can be 30,000 to 50,000 rupees a year for maths, English, and science. Rest of the subjects you can easily teach at home using textbooks for sure. And then there comes the question of legality. So, is homeschooling legal in India? Yes, it is legal. RTE Act, Right to Education Act 2009, mandates that all children from 6 to 14 years have the right to free and compulsory education. It doesn't specify that it has to happen in the conventional school per se. Okay, so nowhere does the government say that homeschooling is not allowed, although it doesn't precisely mention that it can be done, but it doesn't speak anything against the same. So yes, we can homeschool our children at home. Why not? Okay. So these are official links to SSE, that is National Institute of Open Schooling, and IGCSE board. These are the two options homeschooling parents and children have to uh, pass the final 10th grade examination. These two boards currently accept external students who wish to pass out the exams on their own by learning at home. And here are some associations or schools that support homeschooling. Of course, we have Homeschooling Association of India, that's a purely homeschooling supporting body and association. Which you can look up at, you can be a member of the same, and you can take inspiration from them to teach your children online. Next is we have schools which run online today, like Cyborg, K8, and the K8 and the class of one. Of course, there are qualified tutors. You can find qualified tutors to train your children in case you are not able to. So, how can we invest in vocational skills and what kind of vocational skills? Number one being musical instruments. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology, that is the MIT, has come up with a research recently that any which child which learns musical instrument at a young age forms neuron connections in brain which last forever. Even though the child gives up the playing that particular instrument, those connections last for a lifetime. Next is dance, singing. Believe me, but art comes with a lot of plus points, like it's easier to learn maths and some science concepts learning these arts. Next is painting, pottery, filmmaking, animation, graphic design, jewelry and fashion designing, robotics and AI, which is in trend currently, automobiles, and so on. Look out for industry experts on sites like LinkedIn to train your child and to help them monetize it. These are some other skills like professional baking course, beautician course, digital marketing course, exercise physical training related courses like aerial yoga per se or yoga, fast calculation tricks courses, professional writing courses, screenwriting courses, theater and acting courses. The key is early start and taking on responsibility. Interest mapping, early start, counsel, decide, plan education on time and start earning early should be the key. Recommend career counseling by IPH Thane here because Institute of Psychological Health Thane has a wonderful system of analyzing the interest of child once he is 15 or 16 years when it is time to decide which stream one should go for. And this will really enable you to save for higher education. You can make use of technology. Currently, there are different applications to aid you to train your child. For making this PPT, I had taken references from Google, NIO's site, and IGCSE official websites. Thank you for giving your precious time, and I wish you a very happy homeschooling journey in case you decide. Thank you so much.